a fun thing too. It's kind of like a treasure hunt. So let's start. These are birds that you can find in New York and also in your backyard. So my favorite is the robin, this one, and I like this one. It's the cardinal, the boy cardinal. This is the blue jay. It's blue and it's a jay. See, blue jay. This is the gold finch. It's gold and it's a finch. This is the red-bellied woodpecker. I don't know why they call it the red-bellied woodpecker because it has a red head. It doesn't have a red belly. It has a white belly. Look up at the birdhouse. The chickadees are building a nest. See the nest material? When it comes to identifying birds, you have to remember 4 things. 1, size and shape. Is it big? Is it small? Does it look like a sparrow? Does it look like a duck? I don't know. 2, color pattern. Is it polka dot? Is it stripe? Or is it solid? Or is it red? Or is it blue? Or is it purple or green? 3, behavior. Is it swimming? Is it flying? Is it looking for worms underground? I don't know. Ask a grown-up. 4, habitat. Are you in the forest? The woods? The beaks? Where are you? Look, there's a red bird. It's small. I think it's a cardinal. Let me look. It's got a point on its head. It must be a cardinal. Yep, it is. It's on the tippy top of the bird feeder. Look, there's a robin on the ground. There's a robin on the ground. Robins like worms, so they must be looking for them. There's many different ways to feed birds in your backyard. We have 2 different kinds of bird seeds. We have to attract different ones. And look at this, it has bugs in it. I'm trying to find birds. I'm going to go find a nest and see if I can find one. It's over there. Thanks for watching.